Okay, we're just getting ready for the pour for the sun panel legs here. And all the sun panels for the air conditioning units that will be enhanced by the freezers over here. Pour these tomorrow, starting in the morning. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 holes. Then we'll run the power line across straight to the air conditioning units. When the sun comes up, the air conditioning units come on, sun goes down. We have the option of them falling off or depending on the batteries for another 4 to 6 hours of power cold boost into the cold houses.